Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact blockchain.com support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the blockchain application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to the application. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the account and the DFI wallet. So basically you can go and switch on from those. And at the bottom of the screen, we have the home, prices, and the earn option. Also in the top left corner, we have your profile and everything about that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the support. So what you need to do is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically you just need to go and click on the top left corner, and here you will have a lot of options. So you have the profile, preferences, exchange link, security, linked cards, and the help center. So basically what we need to do is scroll down to the help center, and here we have the contact support, which we need, rate us, term of service, privacy policy, cookie policy, and the logout option. Basically, as you know, what we need to click on is the contact support. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys really helps us grow the channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be highly appreciated by the team if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining. And as always, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.